Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this video I want to show you some news and updates about Agility Writer. As you may know, it's one of my favorite AI writing tools, one of the best on the market. So let me show you this changelog, and in the meantime click on the like button, subscribe to my channel so you will not lose my next videos. In the last months, Agility Writer introduced something really interesting, starting from, let's say, March with a bulk URL rewrite, Claude 3 AI model, and optimize Neuron Writer article at scale if you are a Neuron Writer user. Update on EEAT with some new tools to give your articles more authority. On April, first-hand experience and quotes. These are new options you can include in your articles. And this is the last update. It's the one I want to show you in this video because we have now in Agility Writer a very good semantic enhancement. New precision and optimization writing style, optimize word order and structure for precise, responsive web content that aligns with microsemantic rules. These microsemantic rules are taken from the Koray Framework. I don't know if you ever heard about it. Koray Gubur, a very famous SEO. He has a YouTube channel if you want to check it out. You can also find on the web an interesting or more than one interesting article on Medium from Koray. He has an interesting and different approach to semantic and SEO, but I leave this lecture to you if you want to read all these things or watch his channel. He also has a very well-known SEO course. But this new writing style incorporates 15 guidelines based on the microsemantic from Koray Framework. Then we have nouns optimization heading structure, so you will always have on the second outline idea the nouns in relation to the H1 topic. If you don't know what nouns are, you can search on Google or watch these nouns optimization heading structure. As you can see, by including specific nouns in the headings that relate directly to the main H1 topic, we establish a clear and connected semantic structure. So even this is related to the semantic update. And then a website page enhancement. You can read also two different examples. These are two different articles written with this new writing style. And as you can see, these are the two articles. I will scroll them really slowly, so if you want you can stop the video and read them by yourself. As you know, Agility Writer is very good in writing very specific and factual articles, and I don't know, it's maybe difficult to understand exactly what this writing style is doing, but it gives more authority to your articles. So this is the first example. We have another example here. Obviously, if you want, you can go and click on those links so you can read these articles by yourself. But just to show you how this writing style works, let me scroll it to the end. Okay, as you can see, these articles are really detailed. And on the Facebook group, as you can see here, someone is very happy with this new writing style. The new writing style seems game-changing. What's everyone thoughts on it? There are some clarifications. For example, if you are familiar with Koray's framework, his content won't be humanized casual, but this focuses on precision, concise, and authoritative. And obviously, because you are using AI, maybe it's not fully complying 100% on these rules, but they tested it, it's working pretty good, and obviously it depends on the niche. So on local businesses, works very good, or for niches like YM, YL should be fine, but for other niches like travel, personal blog, it can be yes or no depending on the audience. And now I want to show you where you can use this new feature in Agility Writer. And remember, if you want to use Agility Writer, I have a special discount code. You can find it in the description. Here, if I go to create new, I can create one of these different articles. And for example, in the one-click mode article, you can't find this option, but in the advanced mode article, you have the writing style. And as you can see, it's here, precision and optimization. In product roundup, you have writing style, so you can use it even here. You can use it in YouTube to article, for example, you have writing style, and so on. Now, let's go here in this advanced mode. Let's say, for example, I want to generate an article with this title: How to wash fruits and vegetables to remove pesticides, USA, American English, main headings, let's say 7. AI model, they suggest to use GPT-4 to have a better experience with this new writing style, so let's select this all precision and optimization. Factual data, in-depth factual data. Let's say professional tone of voice, point of view, let's say second person, introduction style, concise, and conclusion style, let's try expert opinion. If you want, you can include instruction and knowledge by yourself, your custom instruction. If you want, you can include keywords. Let's generate outline. Okay, my outlines are ready, and we have 3 different outlines. This is the first one. The second one, as we said before, contains nouns, so it's optimized for nouns. You may decide if you want to use it or not. As you can see, it's repeating in many H2s, is repeating the pesticides on produce, or pesticides on produce, even here cleaning produce, washing produce, is relating more to the main keyword, the main H1, that is this one. Or you can choose one of the other 2 outlines, but for the sake of this example, because this is a new option, let's use this number 2. Now here we have many options, so key takeaways, add styling, entity enrichment, FAQ title and description. I will not use this improve readability because this could make the article shorter. I would include this first-hand experience. Again, this is one of the latest features added into Agility Writer. Again, they suggest to use GPT-4 for the best result here, so let me check this one. We can include authority links. If you want, you can disable transition between paragraphs, between sections. We can include YouTube videos. I will not use internal links, but you can if you want. And you can even exclude quotes, because by default Agility Writer will include quotes in your articles, and this it's pretty good because you make your article quite different from the others, maybe if you include quotes, and this gives again authority to your article. Number of images, we have 3 images for free, so let's choose 3. Image style, photo, landscape, color, real life, let's say less photo with people. And here you can choose the ethnicity, or if you want the same person into more than one photo. Let's skip these publish settings, and this is how you choose all your options. But for this specific example, this is the thing we want to focus on, the new writing style, precision and optimization. And obviously you have many different writing styles. As you can see, you have SEO authoritative, news, you have health authoritative, you have humanize, you have auto from SERP, and so on. This is why Agility Writer is so good in writing articles. This article will use 3 credits because I'm using GPT-4 Turbo. Then I just need to click on this Add to Writing Queue. Okay, after some minutes my article is ready. As you can see here, it's more than 2000 words, so let's take a look at this article directly from here. How to wash fruits and vegetables to remove pesticides. This is the first AI image generated by Agility Writer. Not bad at all, maybe too much vegetables here, but it's not bad at all. Anyway, now I will scroll this article, so if you want, as always, you can stop the video and read it by yourself. Let's just take a look at some elements. I choose concise introduction, and as you can see, it's very concise with some bold text as I wanted. And again, in the meantime, if you want, you can stop and read all the article. We have key takeaways, and here the second image. As always, AI has some issues with the hands. This is why if you don't need, maybe it's better to not choose people in AI images. We have a YouTube video suggestion here. Let's take a look at this video, and this is the one Agility Writer choose, how to actually remove pesticides from fruits and vegetables. So it's 100% on focus with this article. Defining pesticides and their purpose, and again we have some bold text here, exploring the health risks. We have a quote here, identifying common pesticides on produce. Again, we have a pretty good image, but as you can see, people has still some issues. Even in this case, we have another YouTube video here, common pesticides found on fruits and vegetables. We have here another quote, and going down, natural methods for cleaning produce. Another YouTube video, advantages of using natural ingredients for washing produce. And again, recipes for homemade fruit and vegetable cleaners. We have a link here. This should be an authoritative link. Let's check it out. This is the site, real simple. I don't personally know it, but it seems pretty good. And let's scroll down again. We have some other sections. We have another quote here, conclusion and further advice. So this is my conclusion, and we also have recommendations here because I choose to have an expert opinion in the conclusion. So I suppose it's this one. We have another link here. I suppose this is pretty authoritative, OPN, Organic Produce Network. And then we have FAQs, pretty short FAQs, but this is good because when you see FAQs in Google, obviously you need a short answer, so they are pretty good. And the article ends with the meta title, default meta description, and some catchy title ideas. If you want, you can choose one of these ones instead of the default title I used in this example. Again, we have different ideas for meta description, and we have some factual data. They are already included in this article, but here we can also find some source URLs, facts about these things, source URLs. For each section you have different URLs. You can go and check your data, and if you want you can link some of these sources, so you will make your article even more authoritative. You have a very long list of these sources, and here, watch here, you also have entities and keywords used in these articles, so you can see if they are good or not. And this is the output with Agility Writer. Again, it really depends when you use this new writing style from the niche, but I will say the article is pretty good and detailed. So this is how this new precision and optimization writing style works in Agility Writer. And I will say this is a pretty good update for one of the best AI writing tools on the market. Let's talk about the price. Again, I have a special discount. You can find it in the description. My discount code, it's usable on one of these 3 different plans, so the basic one, the standard one, or the pro one. But if you want, you can also choose yearly plans here, or you can try Agility Writer for just $1. You will have some credits just to see how it works. And that's it. I hope this video was useful for you, and if so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you want, you can click here and watch for my previous content about Agility Writer. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next video.